Well, an absolutely superb piece of vintage Royal Crown Derby. Could even be antique, this one, because the china marks on it in green from the Ormiston Road factory were used from 1921. Unfortunately, right away through to 1964, and there's no date stamps on either of these two pieces of china that constitute this teapot. It's the medium-sized version. They did make a slightly larger version and a smaller version of this, so do check out the measurements on the website listing. Holds 2 pints, this one, and it's in absolutely beautiful condition. What a gorgeous shape to start with. The classic Royal Crown Derby Posies teapot. Beautiful little handle on the lid in fine condition. Beautiful gilt all the way around. Just look at the gilt all around the bottom of the outer rim on this. Deep rimmed retainer on this Royal Crown Derby green marks. You can just see there on the lid. In absolute cabinet condition, and the teapot itself, again, absolutely beautifully decorated and in superb and fine cabinet or collector's condition. There are no condition warnings on this at all. Beautiful glaze, fine transfer design all around it, beautiful handle detailing with this classic Royal Crown Derby rope handle with the 4 gilt rings around it, and inside it's crystal clean. Just look at that. A beautiful thing. A lovely Royal Crown Derby. Oh, I should have shown you the china marks on that. There we go. Again, green Royal Crown Derby, crown and double D marks, made in England bone china with Derby Posies. No date decipher, Roman numerals or impress marks, but as I said, that could date this to as early as 1921 or as late as 1964. So we're claiming vintage on this, possibly antique. And I think those marks were probably used predominantly between 1921 and about 1938 when they transferred over onto the wartime marks, which were quite distinctive in the much darker green. And then they started up again post-war with the Roman numeral marks. So I think if I was pushed on this, I think it's 21 through to around 38. But a fine piece of Royal Crown Derby Posies china, rare thing to find in such beautiful condition, available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll put a link in the description below and a product link in YouTube when we're allowed to do that in a couple of weeks. So do browse our Royal Crown Derby collection on that link and have a good look at the website for all further details and measurements and the pricing on this teapot. Thanks for watching.